So guys, dropshipping has been around for around 40 years now. Dropshipping is a business model that a lot of young people, old people, indifferents have taken over, and they have made a lot of money. They have made hundreds of thousands of dollars, million dollars from doing dropshipping. Guys, this is a business model which a lot of people can do, but it have a tendency of a lot of people saying that the business is crashing, meaning that dropshipping is dead. I want to speak to you guys today about all of that, and I want to educate you guys on what to do in times like these when you see these things is happening in the world. So guys, if we compare dropshipping to this later, this is dropshipping at the moment. When something like this which hit the world, which I am too sure you guys should know what I'm thinking about, hit the world, dropshipping, then voila, dropshipping then vanish, guys. That is basically what I'm seeing a lot of people been saying. But if you stick around, guys, I will educate you and make you know what's going on, guys. But before that, my name is Dennis, and I post videos on YouTube on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays on how to grow your bank account, and also give you a little knowledge on how to invest your money, guys. So basically, I would want you to go down and hit that subscribe button for me, please, and also leave a like on this video. So guys, as I said, a lot of people have been posting that dropshipping is dead. Dropshipping has been around for about 30 to 40 years now, guys. Dropshipping has even been around before the internet, and a lot of people don't know that. They basically saying that only dropshipping a lot of these people know is to go on Shopify and do that, but dropshipping has been around before that, guys. And dropshipping is basically one of the ways which I said is making people a lot of money. It's one of the best e-commerce way which you can make money, but a lot of people don't know what are the requirements to become a dropshipper. So guys, dropshipping is basically you are reselling a product. So you're basically selling something that you don't even have to see. So you go on Facebook and you search up for whatever you want to search up, and you spy on people who are running ads, and you see how that ads is going, and then you go on Shopify and you create back that's your store, and then you run ads to it, and then you get customers. And when customers purchase from you, you purchase from a place like AliExpress or Wish, guys. So basically that is what is dropshipping. But the disclaimer part about this, guys, is that AliExpress is located in China, and China is under a crisis right now, which they are not being able to ship out products as how they would want to. So this is where people is coming in and saying that dropshipping is dead because they cannot be able to ship products as how they would want to. But guys, what is going on in the world doesn't mean that the market will always be dead, guys. This doesn't mean that the world will always under a crisis, meaning they won't be able to send out or ship out products as how they would want to. And it doesn't mean that Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, Bing, or any one of those will ever be running ads for people on their products, guys. So basically, I would advise you to read more a little before you jump to conclusion saying that dropshipping is dead or dropshipping will this or will that, guys. A lot of people I see when they are creating ads for their product on YouTube, when I watch YouTube videos and I see their ads, I don't have a tendency of skipping ads, guys. I watch all ads to see what they are doing and what they are trying to do. And a lot of people throw shades as dropshipping. They basically say Facebook is locking your account, which Facebook is doing because a lot of people don't take the time how to study how to run an advertisement on Facebook, how to avoid being blocked, how to avoid getting their account locked up, guys, which I'm going to make a video about that soon. So if you want to see that, as I say, go down and hit that subscribe button, guys. So basically you have to learn how to promote your products, guys, and a lot of people don't do that. So basically Facebook will lock, we're saying Facebook will lock down account. YouTube are going to be locked down. YouTube will never be dead, guys. YouTube is making a lot of money from people running ads on their platform. So when they are running ads on YouTube, they've been saying that dropshipping is this, dropshipping is this, dropshipping is that. And I know a guy, which I will not say his name, and he's trying to sell a drop servicing course, which he basically is showing trades on drop shipping. Say drop shipping is not a real business. Drop shipping and drop servicing is two of the easiest business that you guys can start out there right now with just a small amount of money. You can even start doing drop shipping with about $200, and you can even start doing drop servicing with about $150. But a lot of people, they tend to throw shades at drop shipping to sell their products, meaning telling you all these bad things about drop shipping when they are not doing drop shipping, guys. So you gotta look at those things before you jump to conclusion. A lot of people are trying to sell courses, they don't really do what they are throwing shades at, guys. So you have to look into things like these and don't follow those Instagram team pages because they are just really posting to get a lot of clout, to get a lot of followers, to also to try to sell you guys some things which they're to sell you guys some products, guys. So basically you have to look into things like this, and dropshipping will never be dead, guys, because AliExpress will always want to sell their product. Facebook will always want to make some money. YouTube will always want to make some money on all of these advertisements, and Shopify will always want to make some money. I don't think none of these businesses will be closed down anytime soon, guys. So basically, dropshipping will only get bigger from here. But the point is, dropshipping is really competitive, which I will not say it is not. It is really competitive, guys, because a lot of people are finding out that people are becoming millionaires from doing this, and they are really trying to go into this, guys. So basically, yes, guys, I really want you to understand that dropshipping is not dead and it will never be. So guys, what are the things that you should do in times like these when the market is down? You cannot get your shipping, you cannot get your normal shipping times, which I know a lot of you guys run ads where you're getting like 5 to 6 to 7 orders per day, and you're basically don't know what to do in times like these. Guys, I am encouraging you to at least cut some of your ad, guys. At least if you're being spending like $100 or $200 or $300 an ad, I would advise you to cut off your ads and spend at least $10 to $20, because you know, as I said before, a lot of your product will not be shipped and people will start to ask for a refund. When you have to refund money, I know how it feels bad to refund money when you actually have to pay for web hosting and pay for all of those things that you are doing to run your drop shipping business, guys. So basically, that is what I want you to do, guys. So basically, guys, it's not hard. I want all of you guys to just stop putting this out on the market, saying that dropshipping is dread, dropshipping is this, dropshipping is that, dropshipping is this, and dropshipping is that. Guys, what is going on in the world? It is basically everyone I think supposed to know, because it hits majority of the countries in the world, and this cannot transfer via the products which dropshippers are selling. And so basically, guys, you are not going to be able to buy your products or services, guys. So basically, this is not going to be affecting the market in that way. So guys, a lot of you guys who are out there not doing dropshipping and basically saying that this is dead, this is not, this is what, this is that. A lot of you guys who are doing it, I would advise you to just cut back a little on your ads, because this can basically affect your shipping time. So I've searched on the AliExpress app, and they're basically scheduling a time on how they will transfer their product, which is I think it's 2 months, something like that. So basically, guys, that is it. So I really want you guys to know the requirements before going to this, and know that things like this really affects you on the other side. So basically, you're not going to be able to be doing business successfully all of the time. Things like this will affect your business. So basically, guys, you have to just know the requirements, and one of the requirements is going throughout somebody who is doing this, and even buying a course. A lot of you don't do that, guys. A lot of people are selling course like He's selling a course, and I know he explains in that course how to do in times like this. And if you can go and check out his video on how he explain to you guys what to do. So basically, guys, you need to go over his channel and buy his course. If you can, you do, because a lot of you just basically doing this off videos you see on YouTube. People will not show you their direct the method that they are using, guys, when they have their professional course which they use to prompt their business. So if you want to do this, guys, you have to willing to invest some money in this, so you will know what to expect and how, when things like these happen, what you are supposed to do, and just not be confused and watching people saying a lot of things, and you are saying that I'm gonna stop dropshipping for this and this and this and this of certain months, and you're gonna be out of business. Your majority of you guys don't know that you are successful, but in times like these, your business, which is making you $3,000, $4,000 a day, are now down to at least $800, and who are just starting are really out of business, guys. So I don't want that to happen to none of you guys out there. I really want you guys to at least keep booming in business in times like these. But to do that, guys, you have to just learn the requirements, and as I said, you have to at least invest some money in your business, guys, or buy a little certain course, guys. So yes, I would advise you to do that, guys. So here you go. This video you see on the screen, I would like you to watch it, guys. This is when I explain the stock market crash, the stock market crisis, whatever you want to know about the stock market. Should you invest in stocks anymore? This video on the screen is where I explain it. Stock market crisis, everything about the stock market, guys. And hit this to subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it so much, and leave a like on this video, please. I am asking you to leave a like, guys, and also leave your comment down below explaining to me how this video have helped you. And if you are a dropshipper, you can just basically leave your feedback on this video. I would appreciate it, guys. Thank you very much.